On the subject of compact rail and guiding things over a reasonable distance, quite a few of our customers come to us and say, well, we like your compact rail system, but we'd like some method of driving the system backwards and forwards via a motor. So this is a very popular system, and it's called the Uniline system, and what we do is we utilise the standard compact rail system inside an aluminium housing which is belt driven. So this is a cutaway version of it here. So in there, for example, you'll see the smallest, this is the size 18 rail, and the sliders that relate to it. There's a carriage mounted on the top, you've got a belt at the bottom, and basically this aluminium housing can be as long as you want. It might be 3, 4, 5, 6 meters. It can be provided in one length, and backwards and forward it goes. So, for example, that would be a typical motor mount. Just plug the motor in there, and then that will drive the carriage backwards and forwards. What is important when you set up these sorts of systems is that you have got some proximity switches at either end, or some home position sensors, to ensure that the motor does not drive the carriage towards the end to the backstop, and then basically tensions the belt and breaks the belt. So you need to consider installing some proximity sensors somewhere. Again, this is very useful for clamping. We've got some special clamps that clamp the Uniline system. It can be joined up in a series of gantries. So for example, you could have 2 long rails. You could have a motor attached here. You could have a shaft to another Uniline unit, and you would synchronise the two so that they would be driving backwards and forwards together. Again, a very popular application. This comes in about 5 or 6 different sizes depending on the sort of loads and the moment loads that you are going to place on the system. Thank you.